Rajeshri Venkatramanan, reading 80 words English shorthand dictation. You should practice each dictation 4 or 5 times, then transcribe into English. That is most important. Okay, we can start. It gives me great pleasure to preside over the second annual celebrations of your association. I congratulate you, civil engineers of the state, on coming forward to have a separate association for you. On in these days, when people organize themselves and have associations of their own, you cannot be an exception. There are various fields in which people have specialized. There are two different engineers to attend the needs of the various branches like civil, mechanical, electrical, telecommunication, and so on. When we have several branches managed by those who have taken the trouble of specializing in those branches, it is very necessary that each should have a separate association on his own to look after the various matters relating to the persons concerned in each branch. Of course, there may be some common subjects of study and also common interests. However, the problems faced by each are different. So, there should be associations to safeguard the interests of each. Your president has traced the history of your association. He has given a very good account of your activities, your problems, and the scope you have for promotion and other aspects. Only after hearing his address, I was able to understand the same of your problem more intimately. Of course, every serving engineer has his own problems. However, each one has peculiar problems which require special attention by those who employ him. These problems should be carefully considered and solved. You civil engineers have a special role to play in the development of the nation. For every construction work, your services are utilized. You are called upon to prepare the drawing and also construct the buildings for the various departments. Whenever a plan has to be established, it is for you to do the job well. The successful working of any plan greatly depends on how you have done the basic work and how you have actually done the construction work. The buildings built by you should be such as to bear the various pressures on it. So it is no doubt a great responsibility that you are called upon to shoulder. I hold the view that you should do everything in your power to perform your job in an efficient manner. You should remember that the buildings you construct should be specimens for the others to follow. It is natural that you would very much like your emoluments to communicate with your heavy responsibility. I do not mean to suggest for a moment that the engineers in other branches do not have responsibility or they are less responsible. Each one has own responsibility to discharge, and so each one should be paid adequately, keeping in view the nature of the duties and responsibilities involved. What I mean to impress in this connection is that the civil engineers have the basic duty of providing the best structures for factories, industrial units, educational institutions, defense purposes, etc.